Want pro level 4K 8K aerial footage, GPS accuracy, and smart obstacle avoidance without spending over $200? Stick around as we count down the top 5 best drones under $200 that deliver premium features at budget-friendly prices. Please watch the full video to know which drone is the best, because my number 1 pick includes features usually found on high-end flagship drones. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. SX1 MAX. The SX1 MAX is a foldable 4K GPS drone equipped with a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal, brushless motors, long-range FPV, and a built-in screen controller, perfect for aerial creators seeking smooth footage at a low cost. Product reviews. Users consistently praise the gimbal performance, saying the stabilization rivals drones that cost double. Many highlight its foldable design and long flight stability. Pros: 4K camera with true 3-axis gimbal. Brushless motors for better flight control. Large screen FPV controller included. Foldable, lightweight, and travel ready. Number 4. S156 Drone. The S156 drone offers a 4K dual-ESC camera, optical flow stabilization, brushless motors, and precise hover control, great for beginners who want easy learning and solid footage. Product reviews. Reviewers say it's extremely stable for indoor and outdoor flight, with responsive controls ideal for new pilots. The footage is clean for the price range. Pros: 4K dual-ESC adjustable camera. Optical flow positioning for steady flight. Brushless motors with long life. Simple, beginner-friendly navigation. Number 3. 600 Lira Pro Max. The 600 Lira Pro Max features an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS return to home, and brushless motors. It offers premium features rarely found in this budget category. Product reviews. Users highlight its smooth stabilized footage, fantastic build quality, and reliable obstacle avoidance system. Many say it performs close to drones priced above $300. Pros: 8K Ultra HD dual cameras. Full 3-axis mechanical gimbal. 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance. Accurate GPS flight and auto return. Number 2. SG109 PRO MAX. This drone includes a 4K HD camera, strong GPS tracking, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and a 4.5-inch built-in FPV display. No smartphone needed. It's ideal for casual flyers who want convenience. Product reviews. Customers mention that the built-in screen removes setup hassle and reduces lag. The drone is praised for stable flights and easy beginner learning. Pros: built-in 4.5-inch FPV screen. Reliable GPS and precise return to home. Strong 4K camera performance. Fast and simple setup. Number 1. V168 PRO MAX. The V168 PRO MAX is an 8K GPS drone with 5G FPV, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, super stable brushless motors, long flight range, and a large screen remote controller. It delivers the strongest overall performance in this price class. Product reviews. Users praise its sharp camera quality, dependable GPS lock, long-range control, and excellent obstacle detection. Many say it feels like a mid-range professional drone for a budget price. Pros: true 8K camera clarity. Advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Brushless motors for smoother, more powerful flight. Controller with built-in FPV display. Best performance to price ratio in the list. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up the top 5 best drones under $200 in 2025. If you watched until the end, the V168 PRO MAX is the best overall pick. It delivers the strongest combination of camera quality, GPS accuracy, obstacle avoidance, and long-range 5G FPV performance, all under $200. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Comment below which drone you are planning to buy, and I will help guide you further. Thank you for watching.